All right, so here's a look at this Kikcoin bamboo cutting board set. So it's going to come with 3 different cutting boards. It's going to have a small, a medium, and a large. And I like the fact that it actually comes with this piece as well. So if you want to store the boards just like this on your countertop, makes it nice and easy, and it looks like a nice display as well. So like I said, it's gonna have the small, medium, and the large, and it will have this little groove that's on the outside there. So if you are cutting something like steak or anything that has any liquids or anything like that, it's going to go into those grooves, making it a little bit easier so it doesn't overflow onto the countertops. Now, this is going to be a good replacement for if you have plastic cutting boards and you don't want any microplastics or anything like that to get into your food or into your body. Having a bamboo cutting board is a great option. And I really like these ones because of the design. So you'll see some of the other ones where they're kind of just plain flat across, but this kind of has like a cross hatch kind of look to it. You can see the wood grain goes one way, the one next to it goes the other way, and then it kind of keeps alternating, and it gives this really good looking pattern of like darks and lights, and it's all mixed up. And again, this really turns into like a really nice kitchen piece because you're able to display this in your kitchen instead of hiding them and putting them away like normal cutting boards. Over here on the side, you'll see there's a little cut in, which is also really handy, especially when you're cooking and you want to lift this up. Instead of trying to, get underneath here or slide it to the edge of the counter, you can easily just grab it underneath there and pick it right up. And let's go ahead and we're going to chop up an onion here just to kind of show you what it actually looks like on the cutting board. And you can see there's not too many cuts in there. It's going to be, of course, you are going to get some cuts. It's wood, so you are going to get some cuts in there, but it doesn't actually cut through pretty easily. I feel like this is a pretty sturdy and strong piece of wood compared to some of the other bamboo ones that we've used. You could cut down on it and you'll see marks on it right away, which makes it even more difficult to actually have to clean it because now you've got those deep cutting marks in there. It's also going to depend on what type of knife you're using and if you're really grinding down on it. I feel like this one doesn't really get as many cuts as the larger one because usually we're kind of just chopping vegetables up and using a light knife like this. But if you're cutting something like meat where you really have to saw into it, you might see a little bit more cuts. But way better than using plastic because there's no microplastics in this. It's just going to be pure bamboo. And this is the actual color of it. So you can see it here. This one, we just washed it, so it's a little dried out just because we got finished washing it. But this is the color. It's got a nice orange, vibrant color to it. And I like the size options here. So sometimes you'll get these cutting boards that are like humongous and kind of unnecessary, but I feel like this is the perfect one for cutting anything from like bread to steaks to pretty much anything on here, and it's not going to be too large. You can see if I bring it over here to the sink, it's actually going to fit pretty much down into the sink. And I've had ones before where it's too large to even go into the sink and they end up being kind of a hassle to clean up. Plus you also have this little one, which I would say we probably use the most because this is where we're going to be cutting off little chilies or like any little vegetables, garlic, anything like that. This is probably the one that's going to be used the most. And then again, this is the medium size. And just to kind of show you a reference up against my body here, you can see it's about as long as my arm. So if you're looking for a really good bamboo cutting board set, something that looks good, can be a display, and honestly has a nice, thick, dense quality to it, then I would definitely recommend picking this set up.